What is going on, Shiba Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, we're going to report on Shiba Inu and 5 reasons why SHIB is no longer classified as a meme coin. Now, remember, I always like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, but rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. So let's go ahead and dive into Shiba Inu's price action to start off the day. And then we'll go ahead and look at this article that is classifying 5 factors that prove Shiba Inu is no longer considered a meme coin, but it's so much more than that. So, looking at the 7-day chart, I'm actually happy with the support that we are seeing in the crypto market, specifically, of course, for Shiba Inu. You guys can see prior to this parabolic run that we saw on February 7th, we are now consolidating right back to where we were after this jump up on the 6th of February. Of course, a lot of things have to lead up to the potential for continued support and hopefully back to the bull run that we have been anticipating for Q1 2022. So as you guys can see, where we were on February 6th is where we are now, February 11th, February 12th. So again, finding a decent level of support. So for those of you who are looking to establish a position in Shiba Inu and trying to identify ways and times to do so, right now may be a good time. But if we look at the 1 month, of course, we know we have a strong level of support at right around the 20,000 Satoshi unit mark, where we could see that we went through accumulation for what looked like, almost 2 weeks. So a lot of things will dictate the future, but right now there's just so many things happening in the world outside of crypto, outside of stocks, that are dictating how the markets are reacting. There's a lot of, again, political issues that are happening between Russia, the Ukraine, United States. We don't know what is to come. And because of that uncertainty, people have fear. And usually the fear is short-lived, but we really have no clue where we're going to be in the short term. So aside from the Biden administration coming out to make their own executive decision about crypto and the Feds talking about their interest rate hikes that we're anticipating in March, so much more is occurring. So let's go ahead and look at, again, the big things that I want to focus on today for Shiba Inu, and that is the 5 reasons that we are no longer classified as a meme coin. Before I do so, though, make sure you guys check out the link in the description below for Moomoo, where you can get your 5 free stocks when you deposit money into your account. Go ahead and take advantage of these times, because again, literally up to $17,500 could be yours for free when you deposit money into your account. Now, 5 factors that proves Shiba Inu is not a meme coin. Shout out to cryptonews.net for reporting on this article. And this was actually published on thecryptobasic.com only about 6 hours ago. The cryptocurrency community quickly classify different digital currencies based on their use cases. Coins and tokens initially designed with a clear use case are classified as digital assets of real value, while others are categorized as ish coins or meme coins. What is a meme coin? They go in and talk about the actual understanding of what a meme coin really is. Again, community-driven assets. As it says here, usually cryptocurrency investors are not supposed to be heavily invested in these types of crypto projects since they do not have any use case. However, the massive surge in the value recorded in the first ever meme coin, which is Dogecoin in 2022, has prompted several traders to throw large amounts of capital into digital currencies inspired by internet jokes. And that's something I personally actually ended up embracing, because you can have your opinion about meme coins, you can have your opinion about community-driven assets, but time and time again, they have shown to potentially make the biggest upside in the crypto market. I understand they come with a lot of risk, and you need to understand what is your personal risk tolerance. If you don't have much risk at all, you don't put money into any of these tokens. You put your money into something that is a long-term investment. ETFs, S&P 500, Bitcoin and Ethereum, even more so than any of these other meme coins. Again, that's the kind of thing you got to look at. Look at your personal risk tolerance. Of course, Shiba Inu then is one of the cryptocurrencies that launched as an experiment, but labeled as a meme, and it ended up making a lot of people a lot of money. It says here launched by Satoshi, but we know that's not true. Shiba Inu was referred to the Dogecoin killer. Well, that's how it started off, and that was their initial marketing scheme. The Shiba Inu community rejects the meme coin title, including myself, because I know we're so much more than that. First and foremost, 5 reasons why Shiba Inu is not a meme coin. Number 1, Shiba Inu is used as a payment method. With a solid community behind Shiba Inu, online merchants and physical stores have deemed it to fit to add cryptocurrency as a payment method in bid to boost their sales. Following the support of Shiba Inu on popular cryptocurrency provider BitPay, the Shiba Army can now buy goods in different online stores using SHIB on their BitPay app. Guys, again, classifying us as a payment method. Number 2, Shiba Inu decentralized exchange, or SHIBASWAP. We know that the swap mechanism was released in summer of 2021. Users are allowed to exchange one crypto for another. And again, creating a DEX is a form of utility, which in turn helps you gain or recognize gains through that means. So again, anytime you have utility or use cases that's bringing money into the ecosystem, well, there you go. That's another use case. Non-fungible token ecosystem. We have NFTs with the Shiboshis, right? The Shiba Inu NFTs known as the Shiboshis. You guys know I was someone who minted some on the day of launch. It's kind of crazy, but I did that and I reported on it. And guess what? A lot of people have made a significant amount of gains from minting at 0.1 ETH, selling for 3, 5, 10, 20 ETH maybe per Shiboshi. So again, people have made a significant amount of money and continue to hold them because we know the application that is coming up with number 4, the Metaverse project. This year, Shiba Inu community was thrown into shock after the project's team announced its Metaverse project dubbed the Shibbers. This initiative would give the SHIB army a cross to a digital world. This, of course, happened, and we know that the use case or utility for leash was then added on. One thing that didn't add to the Shibbers here is Shiba Lands that is coming. Having property or real estate in the metaverse within the Shiba Inu ecosystem was also an announcement that was made recently. If you don't think that's utility, I don't know what would be then. And last but not least, the Shiba Inu burn mechanism or burning program. Buterin proceeded to gift the 50 trillion, as we know, earlier in 2021, quarter 2, I believe it was actually May of 2021. And of course, we have Stephen Cooper from Bigger Entertainment that has continued to push for this as well. So guys, again, you can make your own conclusion from SHIB, right? You really can. You have the option to decide what you do with your own investments. I cannot dictate or control what you do with your money. All I can do is present unique opportunities, whether they're memes, whether they're not memes, whether they're community-driven assets or not, it does not matter. The fact is I will put every single token on the table. And oftentimes I do so because, again, I don't think it's fair to not at least present the opportunity and then you make the decision for yourself. I give you my opinion and my reason for putting money into a certain asset, and then you can make your own opinion thereafter. But for SHIB, over the last year, what was I doing during the month of May all the way till the month of September? Accumulating buys after buys. And I told you guys my methodology. I was literally dollar cost averaging my way down to bring my cost basis as low as possible for Shiba Inu. And those of you who bought at the peak in October, you had 2 options as well. Either start dollar cost averaging down, sell your position for a loss, and then forget about it, or just continue to hold, right? You have multiple options in the crypto space, but I believe for anyone who was, smart or looking at it as a long-term investment for all the things that are coming for SHIB, then you continue to dollar cost average your way down all the way to potentially where we were consolidating prior to the big jump, which was beginning of October, which we're at now. We're pretty much at consolidation now. So I do believe the future for SHIB is bright, volatile, but bright. So again, always do your research, always do your due diligence, decide on buying assets after actually looking into them. Don't make the decision solely based off a single YouTube video or a single message or a group of individuals. No, make your own decision carefully. Recognize that there comes risk with every single investment, more so in this space than others. I appreciate you guys' support. Make sure you smash that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. And until next time, SHIB Army, keep investing. Peace.